Hello everybody, Acre of Love Homestead. So yesterday we got down to 31 degrees last night. So this morning I'm going to come out here and I'm going to check and see if we had any kind of frosty damage. Now I didn't see any frost on the cars or anything like that. So I'm wondering if it really didn't get that low, but we're about to find out. So let's check on, and that's kind of warmed up, so the sun is kind of out here. The sun is kind of already up, but these, they don't look too wilty. Excuse me. These were already kind of This one, he looks like he got cold last night. He sure does. So, yeah, he does look like he got some frostbitten. But these I didn't really mind. I'm actually going to put that in my pockets. I'm going to give it to the pigs. This one here looks like it's just fine. And then the one down here looks like it's fine too. And that could be because they had a little bit of cover over them, like the leaves and stuff. But these leaves look perfectly fine on these. Now I did cover my tomato plants and my jalapeno plants here. I don't want to quite undo them just yet. I'm going to wait till it warms up a little bit more and then I'll undo them. Let's check these, see if they got any frostbite. Yeah, unfortunately I think they got too cold even with that on there. But in a few, like I say, I will come out here and undo them and see, excuse me, if they're real bad damaged or not. And I covered all of these with the buckets. That's 3 jalapeno plants and my cilantro. But look, oh, I think I see some frost here. Yeah, right there's some frost. I do believe that could have been frost. Marigolds are still super happy. Don't seem like it affected them very much. I don't know. I'm not quite sure. Let's go. I'm going to go to the back and see. My hands are cold, geez. And see if the garden back here has any frost to it. Let's see if I can get back there without getting caught. I'm in my house shoes this morning because I just wanted to come out here and check real quick. Just to make sure. Let's see here. All the animals are going to start hollering. So, all of the turnips and stuff, they seem to be just fine. This one seems to be fine. These seem to be fine. Like, everything seems to be okay. I don't know. It may or may not have made it. Later, like I say, whenever it warms up, I'll come out here and check. Hopefully they made it because they had tomatoes on them. I really hope they made it. I'm also going to go check on the quail. Pigs and everybody still seem to be fine. Out already wanting their breakfast because we got hay and stuff in with them yesterday. I do have a video of that. Excuse me. I do have a video of that up. If y'all want to go over there and catch a sneak peek of that one. And let's see, let's check on the quail here. Are y'all okay, quail? Did you make it through the night? Yeah, I think everybody's fine. Might have been a rough one. Everybody's fine on that end. So, I know it got cold, but maybe it wasn't too bad since it had been really warm. Tell you what, I'm going in the house because it's cold. Just wanted to give y'all that update, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.